In today's video, I'm going to teach you how clients sign a HoneyBook contract using both mobile and desktop platforms. Whether you're a first-time user or simply looking to refresh your memory, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you feel confident every step of the way. Let's start by opening the contract preview. This is your first view into what your clients will see when they receive the contract. You're going to navigate to the specific project and look for the options that say contract and then preview. This step is identical no matter whether you're on a desktop computer or using mobile, so you won't have to worry about missing any differences between devices. Next, let's get an inside look at what your clients will see from their side. It's essential to highlight specific areas, the client information fields, which typically include their name, email, and any other pertinent details, as well as the signature field, which is where your clients will complete the signing process. If you've included a payment or deposit section in your contract, make sure to point that out as well. This section is crucial because it can often be what holds up a contract from being fully executed if not completed correctly. Now let's dive into the signing process itself. This is where the magic happens. Clients will click on an option labeled Sign Here. Once there, they have the opportunity to either type or draw their signature before submitting it to you. On mobile devices, this is just a simple tap to sign, so it's easily accessed with a touch screen. On a desktop, clients have the option to either type their name using a keyboard or use their mouse or trackpad to draw their signature. Finally, let's wrap up by finalizing the contract. After the signature is completed and submitted, HoneyBook does the heavy lifting for you by automatically recording both the signature and the timestamp. This ensures that the contract is legally binding and verifiable. It's a seamless way for you to keep track of when each party has signed and provides peace of mind that nothing has been overlooked. And there you have it, a straightforward, uncomplicated guide to ensure that your clients can effortlessly sign their HoneyBook contracts, whether they're on the go or sitting at their desks. We hope this video has provided you with the confidence and clarity needed to facilitate this process with ease. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.